So, well, I hope my mic is working because I had a Windows update. Is always something that might work, yes or no. But I see my mic is working like it's supposed to be. I forgot to test it, I must say that honestly. So, hey guys, how's everybody doing? And I can tell I am in a mood to get this working because today, it is today that we actually going to make the checkpoints work. And I must be honest here. I I made I made a little bit of mistake there in the past with checkpoints with the last stream. So yeah, I actually need to undo that. I actually undo that already. Um, but I need to do it over because the last one was not fully working like it's supposed to be. And this time, I'm actually hoping that it is working. Because yeah, I was going to YouTube as well, and I was checking out a floppy fish, and I was like, yeah, that's a nice script what he's having there, and let's see that is working. Now, of course, I have also friends who I can go to. I don't know that they are kind of busy, yes or no, but I can also ask them to help. But most of the things I want to try to do it myself because I know then I actually know how to do things because where and how everything works. Uh, because I kind of like ChatGPT for that because he's also explaining why something is working. So I must truly say, yeah, AI is sometimes very useful. So today I'm actually trying to add the system in there. Yeah, as you see already, um, I have nothing yet, so that's okay. I actually did a lot of stuff wrong on the last stream, so I revert that to a version what I'm happy with and that the gun system is still working, although I get an error message below in the screen, but it's not that I say an error that I worry about. It's only that I say like, all right, well, I can ignore that one. I'll be honest. But so far, everything is working. Let's dive in, by the way, and see what we have so far. Let me see that I saved it because I changed it last time. Also, I need to fix something with materials. So if somebody has a solution with that, because sometimes I'm just losing the textures on a piece. It's kind of weird, if I'll be honest. So I hope that I can fix that, or that I need to do it another way. But yeah, I don't like that losing textures because some textures really belong to that to that system. What I try to do there. Also, I want to comment on Minty with using the gun template from Roblox itself. Yeah, you can use it even for commercial way. I just looked it up today. It's actually legal to use that. So yeah, that's it basically. So let's dive in. Let's see what we have so far. And as you see, I having a shape box. I'm having a xylophone. I actually like this one very much. It's only yeah. I need to shape it so the players can actually jump over it. I also might need to make it a little bit more tiny, but that's something what I need to test a little bit further with some test bunnies, if you want to say it like that. So yeah, it's quite nice, you know. We still have this, I don't want to call that a timber box. I mean, nail box. I don't know how you call that, but yeah, it's kind of fun to create those shapes, and there will be a lot more. Yeah. Is it easy? No, I have a lot of toys in my mind, but we also need to create something that you go to a table or something, that you go further on that, and and more shooting what you need to do for revealing your pathway during this obby. And I must say, I really enjoy this one. And the reason is I've learned actually something new, and that with the guns that you can shoot at parts, I love that. I actually really love that. And yeah, I must be honest, I'm kind of weak to working systems. Well, weak. Is that kind of the wrong way to say it? Weak? I mean, hey, Troyan. Hi, man. So, yeah, today I actually want to make that checkpoint work. The reason is also, I actually want to test this myself with jumping, and I don't want to go back all the time, all the way to the start system. But I also need to make this as a stage 1 piece. I'm still making it, Troyan. There are going to be a few toys there, what I still want to add. Also, I want to learn about pathing. That's something what I really want to learn, because I want to making a track where you have those tiny cars that you actually can jump on and can ride with, you know. Some checkpoints what I'm going to make there, that you need to pass, and that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what I'm actually wanted to do. Having a little bit more fun, you know, a little bit more fun on the table than just, well, a boring thing. And so far, it is actually working. So, like I said, let's publish this, and let's see what I have so far. Now, if I'm going to test it, I'm actually going to ask you guys how things is, how things are working, because it's always nice to have some test people in here that actually can do something and see. Okay, well, buddy, you need to shave that a little bit. It's still in beta. I will tell you, this is just too small when I going to publish this. And also, I still need to create the surroundings still. This is just the toys what I'm making. I still need to make walls. I need to make papers. I need to make a window, and that kind of stuff. So where you're actually heading to. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff what I want to add there, and I must say, I have fun, Troyan, in this. Because, like I said, I'm learning every day when I work on this. I learn actually something new, and I really like that. So, what I fixed, and I did it already while streaming, you can interact, but you cannot interact again. So it will not adding another gun to your system. That's what I fixed. And also I erased every script in there that has the camera function in there, because that was kinda having issues with the cam here in the screen. Now, I also want to say there is nothing wrong with this one. The only thing what you need to know is when you go out, it's still the same. So it's only you need to, yeah, if you, especially when you are with a mouse, yeah, you need to see where your mouse is. But further than that, it's actually working, you know. It's not really that you say it's not working again. It's only when you go out the gun, you need to press with your right mouse again for making that move. That's the only thing. Is it a bug? No. It's just that's how it works with different game with a few modes in the game. Um, hey, you can actually post that in my Roblox in my. Do I have a test thingy? I don't know that I have that. Playing games. I don't think they have a test thingy yet. I have a showing off one in my Discord. There you can place everything in there if you want to do that. On my Discord, because I do not allow links in my chat, so that's kind of why. So yeah, guys. So basically, you can shoot to this thing over there, and yes, it will disappear if you see. 1, 2. There it goes. And this is kind of what I say. The texture is not working. I have no clue why. You're not in there. Oh my goodness. If you see the title, do exclamation mark and Discord. Then then you will see a link, buddy. It's it's in the title. Kind of why I always add those things. So you can just place it in there if you wanna, if people wanna test it out, you know. I still need to make a folder for that, but you can place it in showing off. And I kind of forgot to make yeah, the next one. So so I really hate that I don't have a texture on the other one. So yeah. So this is the shooting thing over there, and that works just fine. Now for this one, I actually recommend to get out of the first person, if I'll be honest. And I'm not really good with obbies, so forgive me if I'm not really that good. That's what I'm saying. And I know it is working, so that's it basically. I know it is working. You can actually pause it, but if you say, guys, it's oh, I still have that one. Oh wow! And if I go out, did I add already with data? I think not. I don't think I did. Can we? Yeah, thanks. Now I still need to make on that green, and I'm not really good with that. If you just come off that one, not in touch, you actually break. You are breaking off the teleportation, but I'm not sure how to do that. But yeah, this is working. I actually love this. Like I said, you can actually do this just by this. And I'm quite fast with this, but that's because I'm the creator, of course. And here you can just switch off. And then we are back. I mean, I'm not really that bad with that. Oops. Yeah, that's the reason why I want to have a checkpoint. I'm really good at that. Not really. So let's do that, guys. I need to see what I need. I need to have. That's something what I know. Blaster, no. I need to have workspace. I need to make a folder called checkpoints. So let's make that. Now I am not a script guy, guys, so don't ask me anything regards that because I really don't know how to script. So. But what I do know, AI is not doing really that bad these days. Can it be better? Uh, yes, but that's with everything, I guess. Let me see. I have this already. Uh, all right, I can copy this. I also need to copy that. Start screen share local script for a UI button. I need to see what I actually need. This is a big chunk, I will tell you that. Is this a local one? Oh yeah, I need to reset progress in there. Okay, all right. Sure. Checkpoints, that is working, so that's something what I already know. Yeah, that will say Roblox. I have subdivisions, buddy. You can put it in there and yeah, we can test it later on. No worries. If you want to have a test thing, if you have Google Docs or something that you say, okay, hey man, go there, fill this in, so we actually have feedback. That's something what we always can do. I actually going to create for Roblox for the people some feedback for the games. Just an outside a website for that, so people can just sign up and yeah can just people can just sign up for that with their game and just do uh, test runs and whatnot. And people can fill in a survey if you want to say it like that. That's kind of what I wanted to do. It's kind of in my head right now. So, checkpoints. Now, I really need to make this one first. That's a checkpoint. It is a spawn location, but it is a checkpoint actually. But if I'll be honest, if you need a spawn point for that, AKP draws. Hello. Hello there. This sounds kind of weird and crazy, if I'm be honest. So we just gonna paste this in. Game over. Something like that, is it? When this is working, I'm quite happy. I don't see stage. Is that going to be I don't know. It's not working really. Or is that a thingy that only works online? I kind of forgot about those. And I have them enabled, so it should work. Yeah, it should work. I mean, somehow the leaderboard is not showing up correctly. Not seeing the stages on it. What? The fuck? Okay, that's weird. But I don't see it. I don't see it. All right, let's add everything, because then probably it should work. I also don't have the first one, so I'm just going to put that in here already. Rename that to 1. I think that is the issue, I guess. Oh, it's still not doing it. All right. I know about that one. That's correct. Let's test this in game again. Let's do that again. We love this, shall we? Let's see what I did wrong there. Let's go to Discord and see what he wrote. Welcome to the thing, man. Hi, hi. Welcome to Discord, buddy. Let me welcome you like a guy showing off. That looks quite good, buddy. What is it about? Do you need to make a school or something? Oh, it's a horror game. Okay. Well, it's quite nice, actually. And I see. I don't see. Okay. Those brown things on the last screen. Are these the creatures? I mean, I see one with teeth, so I think that's a yes. And the other one is a bug or a spider or something with that white on the back. Oh, they're the monsters. Okay. Yeah, you know. Yeah, guys, I always want to want to know that. It's always fun when I see somebody's creation, and then I still think, yep, I still need to do something. And I truly say this, guys. I actually love what I'm doing. I must be honest on that. Okay. You know, I'm actually playing a game called Dungeon Heroes. It's made by Twisted, and I really must say, if I see how they did their monsters, bloody hell! I'm going to say this: that the game what I played Saturday, that looks really awesome. that is that's really dropping your mouth on the ground with that one. But like I said, I really like everybody that do something with monsters with animations because I still need to learn that. And I really want to learn that because that's where the fun is. Um, I need to know. I actually need to make this reset. I know that I need to make this remotely reset progress. I actually need to make this. So let's make that. I mean, I like everybody's. I really love everybody's thing, you know. Oh wait, I feel shit. Oh wait, I do not have any leaderboard script in there. So I might need one for getting that script work. I have the leaderboard, but not with what the script has. I always like that. Uh, can we make the leaderboard it where you can see the stage too? I wrote. Do I really need to have a what? Not the awful one. What? I want to have that on the default one. Oh, please. Nah. The team class object? No, I did not. What is this? Uh, where do you place this? Where do I place this script? I don't want to ask too many things. Okay, alright. Let's add that there then. I need to see what I'm doing wrong there. Server, player edit. It's there. It's this. He did it wrong. Look, he forgot the end. Oh no, he's what? Load data. I don't have any data. So this should already work. Whew. Um. In this script, I mean. Does the script need to be local or not? Yeah, okay. This was I had already an issue with. Darn it. I don't like that. I like a working thing, so I guess somewhere it's actually going wrong, if I'll be honest. Let me see what's wrong there. Checkpoint, workspace, checkpoints, checkpoints. Yeah, that's working. I have it there. So that's working. Um, let's see. So I guess this one is not working because it's in the workspace. Start. So that's a thing. I mean, I can get it, but I mean, is that a thing? Skill. I mean, if that is the case, you know what I'm saying? Transparency. I don't really give a stuff about that. Can collide. Did I go? Yeah. Can touch? Yes. Otherwise, it's not really working. So that's good. Let's not do that. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of fun in there. Yeah, I know. But I had actually something working in here, so that is the weird thing about that. Ooh, that's the one I need to get a little bigger. And this one, I actually need to make it rename as 1. Why it is in the shape box, I don't care. Cut. Checkpoints. Paste into. I really did not do that, man. Where's that thing? That was weird. That was just weird. I don't know why that happened. And I don't like that. And of course I need to have it anchored. So let's see. Oh, it's there. Oh, wait. I did not wrote it perfectly. Port. I mean, come on. And I need to have parent is actually checkpoints. So let's make that clear. But I know it's working, and I actually need to write my stuff. Great. My typing was, I think, I say that nicely. There it is. Look, it's working. It's working. All right, so that's so working. Oh my lord. Like I said, GTP, I mean, you know. So let's make a part here and see that that is working. If that is working, I'm totally fine. It's not really a safe point. Let's add insert part there. No, don't go there, man. That guy. That guy, guys. What the F am I? So, timber box? Yeah, do toy targets. That's okay. I'm fine with that. Insert part. Let's wait, I'd actually put it the wrong one in there. Where the hell are you, man? Why are you there? I don't know. I only need to test it, so when that is working, oh my lord, I'm really happy. If that is working, oh my god. I'm singing Umbanja, baby. Oh my god. Let's put it a little bit like there. Let's make it a little higher. And let's make it a little bit wider. I had it before first, but I need to test this first, so let's make this a little wider. I said wider. Thank you. Let's move this a little bit. I mean, I like the Roblox system with moving, but sometimes I'm just, you know, if you know what I'm saying. Sometimes it's just, I call the stage 2 on that one. But basically the other one is just start, if you know what I'm saying. Checkpoints over there. And of course I need to anchor it, but let's add transparency to it. I want to see first that it's working. When that is fully working, I'm really happy. Anchored, of course, can collide. Alright, let's test this. And this is made by ChatGPT, guys, so now it's working. I don't know why he did not do it first. I have really no clue. Was it might because of the remote event that was doing it? So it is working actually. Let's grab the gun. We still need to fix that one texture there. I need to be honest on that. Let's shoot on this. Thank you. Let's shoot here in the middle. No, I have plenty of time. I still not understand why that texture was gone. I don't know. If I'm correct, I'm going to be in 2. So that's correct. Stage 2, I think it will be still stage 1. I think. Let's see what it does. Let's kill myself. That's working. Yeah, I think I will delete this one. That one will be, this one will be just 1. Because you are going to the stage. And the first one is quite easy. I mean, you know. Does he still do same 1? Wait, he said 2. What? I might need to have my reset button with progress. So yeah, it is working. Yeah, baby. No, I mean this bit. I mean, do I really need to have checkpoint for that? Not really. I mean, you are not dying here. That's where you die. And I still want to fix this one there. I don't know why he's doing that. Yeah, I need to I need to reset my progress. Okay, something is off. I don't like that. Is that guy gone? Yeah, that's one. I need to make my reset button actually, because this one is actually working. So I like it. Now we need to make the reset button. Because yeah, that will be easier for me for testing. I also, yeah, I think that will be okay. So rename, check point system. Y, I need to have a capital Y. No clue. All right. Now we need to go to start a UI. Let me get rid of that. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with that. Trap manager is actually working. That's fine. I need to have the reset one. Otherwise, I'm going to have issues. Yes, I know. So let's go back. Where I need to be. I still not see. Yeah, fuck that. I don't need to have that. Okay, that's what I have. Satellite or frame. Let me copy this. Inside the GUI or frame. Okay, well. I'm just thinking. I actually need to do this better. Let's see what is going to be. I'm just going to do it. Let's make a starter GUI. Reset. Reset stages. And I need to add a local script for that. All right. Oh, there. Yeah. Something is off there. All right. The pop-up is not working, and the I need to have a frame in there so I can actually drop this in. Let me say here something like there. Let's grab a plugin for that. All right. Not sure that I will keep it, but that's a thing. But let's make the background transparent. That's it. All right. Can this only be in a live server? Because that's something what I don't know. Because that is really what I don't know, guys. Alright, I want to reset this. You can actually do that? Oh, wow. I did not thought about that. Delete. And then add restrain. And of course I will make it transparent again. Alright. So Parent is really this. I might want to keep it like that. The reason is, I kind of like it there. Out of the way, you know what I'm saying? It's not really. I can also do it like an image button. Is there something else what I can use? Is inside the frame. Kind of like here. So, I need to set it there. That's smart. The button. That's better. So let me test this in a full game. Because I think that's only working in a live server, I guess. Somehow this is working, so I'm happy with that. Alright, it's not working at all. Um, Workspace. So the GUI. Oh. Right. Reset stages. Reset stages. The button. I really just want to have this to work. So that's not working too. All right, let's see what it does. The what? Troubleshooting. I really hate that shit. The what? Um. Uh. Um. I did that. Yeah, I did starter. Do I need to create a frame state way? No. Um. Uh. It is in the same folder as the script, but instead of the button frame will be formation frame as name to aim at. I wrote it wrong. Merlin. No. The reset button is in and will be in the other one. The what? I think this guy is stupid. I mean, and we not aim the up to another frame like I mentioned above. Uh, we love when something is working. Red button. Then you send that uh confirmation text script to the confirmation frame. What the fuck? Is he really that stupid? Yes, he is. Alrighty. So what? All right. Is he doing that the correct way? I hope so. Confirmation frame. Hey, insane! Wow, that's a long time ago, buddy. Oh, hi, man. I think I created an idiot AI in here. I will tell you that. Alright. I already created a stupid thing, man. Well, then it's not there. Two frames, the button where the reset button is, and then confirmation frame where you aim the confirmation window at. Wow. Take some time. And the button is still not there. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that works. Rest stages? It's not rest stages. Oh yeah, that works. I want to have that 0, by the way. So, I need to go to checkpoint system. And we need to set that value is stage 0. Uh, so that is working, basically. So it is working. That is the most important thing. It's working. So it is actually working, guys. Um, so that is working. Only I need to make this. So basically, this one is stage 1. So this is basically so this is stage number 2. That's kind of weird, but fine by me. I kind of just copy that, duplicate. No, it's not start. It's not a thing, by the way. Instead of part. So it is working. Not sure how and why, but it's working, guys. Name one. Uh, I must say, I kind of like this, but okay. Collide, can touch. Make sure it's anchored. Fine by me. All right. So that is basically working. So that one is actually stage number 2. That's kind of weird, if I'll be honest. But all right. Well, this is actually working. So I'm quite happy with that. Oh, that works. Alright, I'm quite happy with that. Only now I need to make the buttons a little bit working, so if I'm correct. Oh, this is fixed. So I'm quite happy with that. We still need to fix this issue, guys. I don't like it when something is not popping up. So the reset is working. So that's great. I've got the jump. So that's great. So that's good. Reset is there, guys. So it is working. I like that. Ah! Ah! Alright, so that's working. So I need to make this work it there. All right, so that's good. Oh, that's the ragdoll effect. All right. I need to see the orientation though. That's there. Okay, let's rotate that. Let's do it also with this. I cannot reset that. Oops. I need to recreate that. That's not smart. But it is working, guys. So I'm very happy with it. With that. So that system is working right now. We love that, guys. I'm really happy about that, actually. All right. So I got that to work. Only I need to make the text a little bit better. Okay. So you can make me a little bit tinier. You want to say it like that? Let's do that. I don't really need to make it that big. Um, oh, I'm still doing it here. Okay, correct. Which I don't mind. Can I make it not scale? Oh man. That's okay. I don't mind that. So that is actually working. I don't mind that. Now I need to say uh, I will make a new one. Can we add to the script that there is only a few stats higher, and that we can edit that value in the before making it work. Uh, all right. Um, player edit. The thing is, do we not breaking? Are we not breaking the code with the other one? Change the character. You do this for me. Oh, there. I didn't saw that. Oh, there. Ah. Ah, that one. That section. I think. Ah, okay. I was already thinking, what the. Alright, let's do this. Let's make it 10. Let's see that is working. The what? No. Alright. So I. Okay, let's do that again. I don't want to mess that up. If you don't want to say that. I really like what I'm doing here. It's interesting, if I'll be honest. I will tell you guys, it's really interesting what I'm doing in here. I understand what I'm doing. It's only I don't want to have the ragdoll effect. So that is the whole thing over there. What I can do, I mean, I still have a ton of things. Let's do it to 15. Ah, that's even worse. I still do that ragdoll thing. Even but spawn higher. Huh? Okay. Okay. I mean, it is quite interesting how things work. It's quite interesting there, guys. So that was actually working. All right. Only now it's on not the right thing. It is working, by the way, guys. It is working, so that's good. So let's do 10. And can we use the part face orientation for facing the right direction? So the good thing is, guys, it's working. So I'm really happy about that. No, that's not it. but it's working. So I must say, I'm not disappointed in what I see. Let's say 5. One. So yeah, it is working. So I'm quite happy with that. The only thing I will notice is only thing I noticed, it goes first to the normal point when players enter game instead of going straight away to the stage checkpoint after dying on the stage. You can freeze. All right, let's test that. Hey, Builder Rex, what's up, man? Well, I'm not really a guy that love coding, but I'm trying to fix my my checkpoint thing. Oh, that works. The reason is if I fix this, because he was kind of like a ragdoll, I just want to undo that behavior. And somehow this ChatGPT is helpful. Yeah, oh, that's awful. Oh, Lord. Yeah, we need to. Yeah. Okay, then I will go back. Then I mean, it's then this is a little bit better. Hey, I'm Matva, by the way. Yeah, what I'm doing is I actually this is something what I do. Uh, the thing is, you can actually reset your own progression here in the game, and that's basically what I'm doing. You can reset your own things. Yeah, this is working. I'm fine with that. I'm not gonna tinker with that again. So you see my 2 over there? Here? I can actually reset this to 1. And if I now go away, I will actually spawn normally. It's kind of interesting though. So yeah, I'm not worried about the facing or whatever. Because you know what? Uh, 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 that's not really a problem because you are just in a box, so I don't really mind that. So I will show you actually my thing. I also need to make the text a little bit bigger for this. And that is created with a script, by the way. So I only need to say, okay, that text need to be bigger or another, you know. If you believe this is just my 5th day. And this is what I created, by the way. So, real toys, guys. If you want to say it like that. Yeah, just the 5th day. Just the 5th. I'm not fast, by the way. I'm just doing it easy. I'm not really a rushing guy. I just want to have. You want to see my? No, no. I'm building. My first experience. Oh man, that's a year and 8 months, something like that. A year and 8 months or something. But I had already some mapping experience. You want to see my first map? What I created? I mean, I just load it up if you want to. I don't mind actually. Yeah. And this is actually working. Thank you for following the channel, buddy. Even this shooting is coming from an AI. Yeah. Yeah. Only I'm not really good with obbies, but it. You know what is with ChatGPT? You you need to ask the right question, and that's basically it. That's really the thing, man. Asking the right question to an AI, because that is actually working. But there are a ton of really good AIs. LeChat is one of them. It's a French one. He is actually doing it not that bad. Then you have, of course, a ChatGPT, and you have also a Phil. That's also not a bad one, and also some others. But yeah, I can actually show you my really uh. Can I see it here? Not really. All right. I need to open from Roblox. What I now going to show you, that's really my first one. I still need to think which is this one. Um, is it that? I cannot remember. Let's see. Yep. Yep. It's this. Let's load in everything first. This is actually my first attempt with building everything, guys. I had friends helping me, but if I'm going to be honest, this building, this building, that was my first experience with this engine. This was my first experience, and the tools I added later on it. So so yeah, and I had some friends helping me. They built this stuff and something, and somebody made something like this. Um, and I created. Oh, there. I created without any help, basically. I created this. No, they are just models. You can get them from the toolbar, from the tool things. Not really recommended. And the reason why I'm going to tell you is they can contain scripts in there, what can harm your server. So that's the reason why I always, if I import one, I use the game settings to security, and I will disable this, not enable it, but disable this one. The reason is when that guy when that script is seeking a website for sending viruses into your game, you will actually see that in the output window that it says it cannot reach a certain website or something. So that is really, yeah, really important to know. But yeah, and yeah, I made this. I'm not joking. This is my first ever cave. This is my first ever cave, guys. I will actually just spawn in here. Let's make it work. This is my first ever cave what I ever made. I learned it from yeah, from a guy. Yeah, thanks. Thanks. Thank you. So yeah, I have yeah, a few projects what I'm doing at the moment. I have a space project. I have also a gun arena battle thing as a project, which I am quite close to a testing. Yep, yep. I have building plugin F3X, although I'm not using it in this part because it's quite because I don't really need it at the moment. Um, but yeah, but yeah, as you see, I'm more unrealistic builder, and yeah, people are saying, and I don't know that's true. Yeah, you don't really see those people around in Roblox anymore that do realistic building. I don't know, but you know, I just like building, and it needs to be perfect. I don't want to. I don't want to go back. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go back and say, okay, I need to fix this. I want to have a complete system before I even start. That's kind of how I am. I just want to have it work. And the thing is, it's working now because I have this gun. Basically, I got this working also from a ChatGPT. I even think LeChat helped me, and that was working. So I'm quite happy with the results as the system. And I will tell you, when this system is working, I actually will make a file where you can what you can have it as a resource. Yeah, I have the main area. This is the main area. I still need to fix a few things. It's very basic, but very clean. Um, Believe it or not, you know the template of the urban city of Roblox? That's where I took this from, basically. And I made the leaves a little bit more greener because that fits a little bit better against the brown wall. That fits a lot better to the brown wall. And I was playing also with different type of plants too. It's not ideal. I made it a little bit greener, if you want to say it like that. The white veins are kind of gone, but I felt this is still the right way to build something, and you know, a little bit of a help thing. I still need to add a thingy here that I say, okay, well, listen up. When you are coming off the teleporter, this is a teleport platform, that it is actually breaking off the teleport. But you know, it's just a little game. It's just, you know, it's just an obby. I mean, I only going to make 3 worlds of this, and meanwhile, I'm going to fix some UI things in my other game. before testing actually. Um, so yeah, that's quite interesting. Yeah, yeah. People forget the assets what Roblox is giving you. Um, I will tell you honestly, you can use it commercial. That's it. You can use it. You can use it in any game if you want to. It's free. Even that gun, what I showed you just yeah a few seconds ago in the other map, you can use that in a game. You can make money with that. You can change skins with that. You can do anything what you want with that. It's a free asset from Roblox. What they give you to play with, what you can use freely. So it's really good. But yeah, I love this stuff, guys. I really love this. I have plenty of ideas for doing this. So yeah. Yeah, yeah. Um, it is because the assets what you use, they say yeah, it is free. It belongs to Roblox. So that's it. Um, it, but if it is made by others, I mean, with brands and that kind of stuff, like other gamers that made that stuff, yeah, then you can get a copy strike because you are just copying from an existing game and then just copying it into your game. But the Roblox things, yeah, you can use it freely. So yeah, that's really good, cool, and I like that. So oh yeah, I will tell you, Mafik. People already asking me to be in a team. But I always say, uh, believe it or not, I'm learning. That's kind of crazy if I say this, but I'm actually learning as we speak with what I'm creating. Still learning the engine like it's supposed to be. Uh, and I like this, I really like this. Let's make this one a little bit better, guys. That one was not really precision's good. Let's make this a little bit more. Can I make this in the middle somewhere? Let's make this in the middle. There it is. I will tell you. I will tell you a thing, guys. This is a little story about me. I started years ago, many years ago. I think it was 15 years ago. I think something like that. Actually, when I started to live here, where I live now, I was playing Jedi Knight Academy and Jedi Knight Outcast 2. I don't know that you guys know this, but Star Wars games. And I started to map over there. I actually started to create a level, and I was making an FPS game. We're free for all, and I was in the top 20 of good maps, and I was just a beginner. But my layout of my map was so perfectly. Only they had one criticism. Damn, I hate that word. Um, uh, there was an office, and there was glass in it, and the only critic was if you can shoot it and break the glass, then it was a number one map. That's it. That's it. That's it. So yeah, I took that experience with me from years ago to this mapping, and yeah, this engine is different. I was working in GTK Radiant. There's also the same editor where you can make Wolfenstein maps with. So yeah, it's quite interesting. So yeah, but it's not how you create things. It's I mean how you creating, but it's also um the functionality of a map. If you keep that in mind, I always say look outside. Look outside. Check buildings. Check out nature. And that's basically how you make maps. And if you want to be in a fantasy world, you can add your own twist to it. Just making a windows a little bit sloppy, or just, having having a bend in there, or whatever, But be creative. Don't be afraid with that. Uh, Making mistakes is a learning curve, and that's always what I try to tell people. It's a learning curve, and yeah, mistakes happen. So I'm very happy with this, guys. The only thing is this a stage? I mean, hey, I will say, have a great night rest, and see you soon, man. Good night. So what we are going to do now is, why is that not working? Okay, let's go back first. Okay, I'm there. It's actually working fine. Let's reset the progress, by the way. Yep. So, okay, I'm going to die. Let's reset this one more time. So yeah, I kind of like this. It works. So this is pretty good, guys. This is pretty good. I need to see what I'm going to do next. I want to do something crazy there. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I also need to fix this. That's kind of weird. I ask actually to you guys. I have a question. Do you guys have experience with if you pick a texture or material from the material manager, that it's actually disappearing on a part? Do you have experience with that? And what is the right fix for that? Because this is the texture. This is what I have. But somehow on this part, It's gone. I don't know. I don't know why. I did not touch it after it. But I don't know why that is gone. And the rest is just okay. I really don't understand why that is happening. So I have really no clue for that. So yeah. Oh shit, that was my wrong. So is there actually a fix for that, or do you say, well, it can happen? I was not standing on that guy. Well, that's working at least. I'm also going to test this on the game itself. So you guys see that full potentially. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Do I need to update it first? No way, man. Really? We love Roblox with their updates. Now, somehow this is made by what I make the system is made by ChatGPT to check the system, but I actually use the script from Floppy Fish. He's really a great person. He actually explained everything perfectly, I must say. So yeah. So let's see. Oh, that worked. What? I'm already there. Ah, so it's saved there. I wanna reset that shit. Hey, penguin. How are you, man? So I actually love that this is working. I'm quite happy with this. The only thing what I need to do is making the text a little bit better. So everything is working. I really like it. Now I only need to make the tool working with that. And stage 2 is loaded, so that's really good. I'm very bad with jumping, as you see. So that's quite nice. It is working, that is working. I need to make a checkpoint thing over there on that one. How I'm doing? Hey, I'm doing really great, as you thank you for asking that. Thank you for that, for asking. And how are you doing? So we need to do a little bit. Hey, you doing good? I love to hear that. I really like that. It's really good. I like to hear that. So what we need to fix is we need to make a space here. You know, I don't mind Germans. Germans are kind of quite nice, is it? I actually want to have... What is this? Is this a button text size? Is this button text size? Button text size is 18. I am. I do not have really a game name right at the moment. I'm going to be totally honest on this. But yeah, I don't have really an. Oh wait, I can do that. Oh cool. Uh, black. I mean, is this black a good one? I think it is. I don't have really have a name, man. Oh no, it's too big. 18. Ah, thank you, man. Yeah, I'm making an obby. I'm making an obby, buddy. I'm making an obby. Now something is not working here. I see something here, a bad thing. No, I actually need to have this. Frame text. You set your progress. Yes. So it needs to be 18. I want to have it 15 then. I mean, this is wrong. Yeah, the reset is, well, if you want to play with a friend, which is possible, of course, you can just reset your progress on that map, and you can just redo it. If you have the fun, you know. It's okay. It's okay, you know. Best streamer? Whew. I wish, man. I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy. Why do I see a bug flying around? Go away, man. Buzz off. I actually want to, why can I not add space in there? Mm. Do, 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 do. Parent frame. I don't want this. Is this the correct way for doing that? I feel it's not correct. Is this the correct way? I see a red stripe under it, so I think it is not right. Nah, no penguin man. Sorry, I'm not going to do that. Supported fonts. I actually want to use this instead. Because I don't trust that one. I do not trust that one. See? See? That one was working. You see that? That one was working. Bloody hell. Label. Well, that's of course not working over there. With a Roblox Studio? Well, if you have a group or something, you can actually make somebody just only testing it. That's basically what you can do. Like a player or whatever. That's it, basically. That's working. So yeah, everything is possible in there. Good night. So the thing is, if you do this, you need to change every bit of it. That's the whole point of this. I want to see how small you can make it actually. Let's test this out, guys. Let's see what you can do. That's already good. That was almost the same size what I had. Kind of like this. I don't know where the bug is going. I have a clean house. Buzz off, man. All right. Can I? I actually want to know this. I don't know how you do that. How do I add a next row? I mean, I might be crazy, but how do I do the next text line with I always forgot this. I always forgot this. That's it. Just a little N. That's basic. Okay. That's very, very basic, if I'll be honest. Very basic. Can I add space into the text as well. Extra. Like I do 4 times spacebar. I can. But on my text adapt of that to the frame size so the space is removed. What? This? What the fuck? That? Really? Okay. I think. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know, man. Ah, yeah. That works actually. So that's good. So I can do this. I just want to test this because I found it quite interesting. Uh, hey, Extreme Gamer, buddy. Oh, hi, man. Everything okay, man? All right, so I know these now. Fine, I'm good. Always good to see good people doing good, man. I like that. Look now. You're going to be the first place? You mean donations? You know that's not possible with I'm not I'm not yet on the right I am not I'm not able to monetize yet. I need a ton of people first. So that is working? What? Yeah? Yeah, you need to have 1,000 people, so that's it basically. But then I wonder why it is not going from this to that. All right. I need to add more space to it. I want to have it perfect, guys. I'm not always happy with the results. I need to do this. And I need to do this. You have? Wow. That's a lot, man. That's a lot, man. Oh yeah. I never be serious with anything. For me, I just do it as a hobby. And people forget that sometimes. Yeah, the code. This is a trick if you want to add space in into the print. A plane. I actually know somebody that's actually doing that. A full plane thing, and it's actually really really good. Yeah, this is not really that bad. Are you sure you want to reset your progress? No. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is. No, no, it's another guy. I think it is. It's not secret. I think. I don't know precisely his name. Is that bad to say? to not know somebody's name. That's a. I mean, I started a little bit having more people in my server and in community, so. I mean, it can be still more, but oh yeah, this is good, by the way. Yes and no. It's quite nice. Although I kind of like the bigger buttons for people on mobile. I kind of forget those all the time. Let's make the buttons for them a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's better. Are you sure you want to reset your progress? Yeah, nope. So that's good. I need to make. I might need to make that white. I don't like. I don't like that thing over there. That one looks good. I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Is that black? Oh, there's this. Background color. I don't want red. I want to have black. Something like that. Text color need to be changed. Because that needs to be white now. And this button thing can be a little bit bigger. Is the watch time? Yeah. Oh no, man. No, no, I did not. I did not saw that one, buddy. So no, no spoilers, please. Yeah. Oh man. You wanna hug me? The dinosaurs. It's all in the game. You know. EA Sports. Sometimes I'm just crazy. I said sometimes. I try to stay normal. I love this reset. Okay, yes. Are you sure you want reset progress? No, I don't want that yet. That's good. So let's see, what do we have already? Am I happy with this? Yes, I am. So I have a reset button, which I really use a lot of time. But as a builder, you have everything what you need, of course. Alright, let's see. I still need to fix that one texture over there. Not sure why it is doing wrong. So, not sure why it is doing it. Now I'm on stage 2. Now, like I said, I'm not really an obby guru. I'm actually bad at that. But I like to create those somehow. So that's the normal behavior. I can reset it now to 1 if I want to. So you see here the reset, because I am in 1. Now I'm back in 2 again, so I can reset it again. Reset? Yep. So that's kind of how easy it is to reset the progress. Ooh, a car game? I actually want to make that. I'm going to be honest on this. I actually want to make that game, a car game. Yeah, it's easy. I mean, it's just easy. So this is working, and I'm very, very happy about that. Of course, I'm going to add hidden shortcuts for me. I mean, I'm not that crazy. So you can shoot, but you don't really need to. I mean, I added that one for the people that, well, not very smart with those things, like some people do. But yeah, I really love this. No, I did not touch it. I'm sure of it. I really need to. I need to finish this. I mean, I'm even the creator of this. Well, I came to green, so you can't. You can do this obby. That's the whole thing. That worked, man. So that works. I did not skip the because I actually need to go soon over there. So that's cool. That's working. That's working. I might need to add the local script a little bit better. This 18. I want to have this 19 so people can read it a little bit better. Let's see. I'm on 2. Yes, I don't want to do that. Reset progress. Oh, you want to reset your progress? Yes. That's good for the size. So I can actually make that one a little bit slim. Kinda like this. For making it a little bit more smoother. Let's make that there. I only want to see reset progress. No, okay, that can be a little bit smaller even. I'm fine with that, by the way. Not that small, but this is fine. Let's see what it does. Yeah, this is good. This is really I want to make the buttons a little bit bigger. So you can read it a little bit better for the people on mobile. What is killing me? It's an obby. It is an obby. It's an obby. You actually need to jump over. Yeah, yeah. Every this is take damage, did take damage, did take damage, did take damage, did take damage, this take damage. Every second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically blue that. Yeah, you need to jump over. You need to jump over, man. Easy? Well, don't let it fool you on how you do that. But yeah, this works actually, guys. Buttons are great. Text is great. I can make this transparent, so that's fine. I can copy the stick already, so that's nice. I want to copy the stick now. I don't need those anymore. I'm quite happy with the results. Now, oh. Did I not have that there? Okay. Stick. I just called it stick. I mean, I don't know how you call that. Drumstick. Duplicate. And let's rotate this. I don't care anything about this, how that looks. Let's add that to the other side. Why are you there? I mean, I don't see that happening over there, but alright. Everybody's saying it's easy, but the thing is, the buttons, the things are not straight. So you think, okay, I need to go this. You need to go diagonal. Fuck, hello, man. My English is very good today. But I think you know what I'm trying to say there. So let's make this a little bit more up. I thought I was better with everything, but can I make it local? Oh boy. So let's create this over there, and I want to make sure it's hugging. Oh, it does hug. All right, cool. Nah. I always want to make it crazy, if you know what I'm saying. I love crazy stuff. I need to anchor it. Oh, that's already. Is it already working? Of course it's already working. Let's play here. No. I No. I'm the creator guy. Dude. Man. Oh yeah, I'm playing games, but I'm making them as well. No, man. I want to be here. Really? I just want to be here, man. No, not there. ChatGPT. I mean, I like you, but I actually want to. Let's see. In studio, I can also disable that thing. Oh, you know what? Let's do that. By the way, they have an app always. Everybody has. In studio, I can not do now. Play test here because of that script. Of course, I can disable the script. The what? No, man. I'm soon gone, buddy. Where do I add this? I actually want to make this happen. Because I don't want to be... I don't want to be that. Okay, so this very top. Alright, I actually going to listen to that guy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. On the very top. Uh, is this a thing? I need to test that. Roblox Studio. Um, let's see what I say. Okay, fine by me. It's kind of weird. Kick on failed data. Okay. this. Yes! Oh my god. That's cool. Oh man. So, what are we going to make next? I think I know what we are going to do. Yeah, this is going to be really fun to make this one. Yeah, it's really going to be fun, man. So if I save this, so let's checkpoint system. Let's change this first. Let's copy this. Let's put this in server storage first as a backup, so we can bring that back later on. No, I actually need to do that. All right, that's the one. So we can paste that here. Let's add a folder in here. A backup working check system. Kind of huge. That's fine. Let's publish to Roblox. See what it does there. I think it still worked. I think. So if this working, that's perfect. Oh, that took a bit. Okay. Yeah. So it's not working for that. Okay, cool. Basically, it's saying it's in test mode. But I have the other system there, so that's great. So I just need to replace that. So that's okay. Checkpoint system. Um, live play checkpoint system. This one, can I rename this? That will be actually really nice if I can. Rename. Roblox. Yeah, on it. Testing. So we call this testing. So live play, we have that here. So when we go, actually, this is for testing. And this is for the working one. So that called live play. So that's okay. So this mine, I don't really mind. So basically saying when we have two versions of this. Folder, we have two folders in there. Edit mode, check point system. So we have two versions, so we can drag this up here. And we can just drag this back in the server script. So that's cool, because then we are doing the stage one again. Okay, something is off. Oh yeah, this needs to be gone. Yeah, now it's working again. So that's good. So we call this live play. Live play. So that's a good approach, I guess. Reset progress. Yes, that's okay. Fine with me. That's working. So we have a test one and we have a script. So we don't need to have to test it. Reset progress. Yeah, that's good. I actually really love this. I don't know what. Screenshot device. Yeah, let's test this. Let's see what it does. I don't see it on my test one. So I might need to make a generic button. That's okay. I can do that. No problem. Um, so yes, at restraints. Confirmation is also at constraint. So that's game device. Okay. So we might need to add that one a little bit more above in the screen. That's okay by me. Oh yeah, they can be a little bit more up. I see. Yeah, we need to make it work for everybody. So skill text. And I need to scale size and scale position. That's kind of big over there. Oh. All right. Well, that worked at least. Yeah, delete. So that's for testing. Yeah, I want to have testing. So this for live play, and this for testing. All right. So I can test everything where I want to. Well, guys, that was it for today. Next time, we are actually going to build the next toy. That one is, yeah, that one going to be a lot of fun, I can tell you. So, yeah, I cannot wait when that is happening. And yeah, until then, hey, I will see you. I will see you on Friday. Then I will actually do something with streaming. We got the checkpoints working, so that's absolutely awesome. And for testing, we can actually disable this. So we have two scripts. One is for testing, and one is for live play. And live play means that you actually need to play the game for getting on that stage. But with testing, we just can go here in the studio and just can go everywhere we want to. Otherwise, we are kicking off and then we are basically not doing it correctly. So yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun with this. And the next one, yeah, it's going to be a lot more fun too. And we are I'm actually trying to get to the height of a table or a chair, because that's also what I'm going to make. So that will be really, really fun. So yeah, for now, I'm kind of done. It's midnight, so I'm really going to sleep. Otherwise, it will be very, very late. So let's publish this for that. And yeah, like I said, I'm back on Friday, and I will do a little bit of longer stream than normally do. Because it's weekend, although I need to work a Saturday, but for you guys, I'm just streaming a little bit longer with this. So we have just really have some fun. Until then, I will say thank you for watching, everybody. And thank you for the chat, people, friends, followers, new visitors. Thank you for being here. And like I always say, be chill, be relaxed, but always be yourself, whatever you do in your life. And I see you Friday with another stream. And I wish you a good day. Goodbye.